We're now going to take a look at how the web handles hyphenation. And if we were just to grab the outside of this and pull it in, we would see that there is no hyphenation taking place. Now we can adjust that and change that and work with that. So let's go ahead and do that. So let's look at our paragraphs and let's put this in the main paragraph tag. And we're going to say hyphens. And auto. And what you can see happen now is it automatically hyphenates words as they get to the end. So it tries to fit more words per line. It doesn't always hyphenate in the best places. So this one here, B, isn't perhaps the best. But we can see it is doing it. There is, as you would imagine, a manual option for this as well. So there's auto and there's also manual. And now when we look at it, it doesn't actually look any different to the one that we had before. So what we are going to do is just go to the index page and let's try and find a relatively long word. Let's just use typographic for now. And instead in here, we're going to add in and shy. And you're going to think, well, what is that? Well, when we come into here, there is nothing that we can see there between typo and graphic. However, let's try and get the page down to where typographic now changes. And what it does is it allows us the ability to say, at this point here, this word is going to break. So it stops it from breaking at weird places along the way. And so you get the word typo and graphic together working kind of well. There is one other thing that is coming down the line. It's not here yet, but let's take a quick look at it because I think it's worth mentioning, and it certainly would save having to do all of that. As I say, it's not here yet, but it's something to look at, and it's hyphenate limit cars. And what that means is, as you can see, it's in red. It's not even recognized in here. Any word that's 10 characters or more, leave 4 before and 4 after. With 10, you could have like 4 and 6, or 6 and 4, the opposite way around as well, but isn't recognized at the moment in here. Rather than use hyphens manual, another way of doing the same thing is to use word break, and there are a couple of options here. Normal is the normal option. Break all literally means it can break any lettering. It doesn't put the hyphenation in, so you get this really weird looking effect on here. So kind of strange, doesn't really work the same way as hyphenate, but it allows you to break the words. The other option of keep all is really for Chinese, Japanese, Korean text words to keep them, to stop them from being broken. Otherwise, on English words, it's just the same as normal, so it doesn't do anything at all there. So that's the word break. The one you're probably likely to use is the hyphen, manually inserting them and maybe putting in the and shy semicolon to give you the hyphenation.